Hello everyone, my name is Pornapat Tilawan or you can call me C. I study in Mathayom 2-1 in Chonkanyanukun School and my number is 18. So today I'm going to teaching you about the scientific notation. Do you know scientific notation? Scientific notation is a number that more than or equal 1 but less than 10 and we write in A times 10 to the power of B. For the example, 40,000 is equal to 4 times 10 to the power of 4 and 0.002 is equal to 2 times 10 to the power of minus 3. And when we learn about the scientific notation, we must learn about the exponent. Exponent is the number that say how many times to use number in multiplication. For example, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 and is equal to 8, right? So this one is the exponent. And when we must know about the laws of exponent. First, a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Second, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. And last, a to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by a or 1 divided by a to the power of 1. So let's do the exercise. 60,000 to the power of 3 times 0.00002 to the power of 4 divided by 100 to the power of 2 times 72 millions and times 0.0002 to the power of 5 and is equal to 6 times 10 to the power of 4 and or to the power of 3 and times 2 times 10 to the power of minus 5 and or to the power of 4 divided by 10 to the power of 4 because 100 is equal to 10 to the power of 2 so and or to the power of 2 so we must put this one to time each other and is equal to 10 to the power of 4, right? And we time 72 times 10 to the power of 6. 72, I like 72 because it's easy to do than 7.2 because every number is integer, right? So it's easy to do than this one. And we time 2 times 10 to the power of minus 4 and or to the power of 5. So it's equal to, look at this one, 3 or to the power of 3. So we must put 3 to less to the power of 6 and we times 4. And this one we put 4 to less to the power of 2 and we times minus 5. And this one we less to the power of 2 and we times minus 4. So it's equal to 6 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 12 times 2 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of minus 20 divided by 10 to the power of 4 times 72 times 10 to the power of 6 and times 2 to the power of 5 and times 10 to the power of minus 20. So it's equal to 6 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 12 times 10 to the power of 20. Minus 20 and divided by 72 times 2 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 6 and times 10 to the power of minus 20. So you look at this one. 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So it's equal to 6 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 12 times 10 to the power of minus 20 divided by 72 times 2 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 6 and times 10 to the power of minus 20. So you look at this one. 10 to the power of 12 times 10 to the power of 20 is equal to 10 to the power of 12 plus minus 20 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8, right? And this one, 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 and plus minus 20 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10, right? And we put minus 8 to minus 10. So it's equal to 1 divided by 10 to the power of minus 10 minus 8. So minus times minus is equal to plus, right? So it's equal to 1 to the power of 1 divided by 10 to the power of minus 2 and is equal to 10 to the power of 2, right? So we have 6 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 2 divided by 72 times 2, right? So it's equal to 6 times 6 times 6 times 10 to the power of 2 divided by 12 times 6 because 12 times 6 is equal to 72, right? And we times 2. So it is equal to 6 times 6 times 6 times 10 to the power of 2 divided by 12 times 6 to the power and times 2. So 6 divided by 12 is equal to 2, right? 2 divided by 6 is equal to 3, right? 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2, right? And 2 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So we have 3 times 10 to the power of 2 divided by 2. So it's equal to 3 times 100 and divided by 2. So 2 divided by 100 is equal to 50. So it's equal to 3 times 50 is equal to 150. That is the answer. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.